So, I have the handle. It's a little one. Make the rest of it with the blade. Using the wooden mallet because I don't want it dead. Put it on the handle and the never mark fingers so that's spiral. I don't want to do that. So I'll turn it around.
I like all those whooshy cards.
That's going to be the blade. It's the letter open, so it's kind of like a little knife.
It's
Not like a proper sharp knife, not like a digital. Could, but that actually takes a long time and it's really boring to watch. Mostly it looks like filing and drawing.
So I wanted to give a little. This one's for you, Leonard.
Yes, there's still got a ways to go. I want to make it wider though. So, if you were to make a big pile of slush on the ground, stomp right in the middle of it. It's spread everywhere, right? If you're taking a pile of slush and hit it with a baseball bat, it'll only go in two directions. The same thing's going to happen with the metal. So when I hit it with the hammer, it squishes in every direction. When I hit it with the back of the hammer, it's called the peen. So a ball peen hammer, the back of it's shaped like a ball. They cross the peen hammer. The peen crosses over the handle. I'm going to hit it with this. It's only going to spread in two directions. It's going to get wider without getting longer.
Why do